Using the laws of logarithms, solve 32 minus 12x to the base 3 is equals to 2 log 1 minus x to the base 3 plus 3. So what we can do first is that log 32 minus 12x to the base 3, bring this 2 log 1 minus x to the base 3 to the left hand side. So that becomes minus 2 log 1 minus x to the base 3 is equals to 3. Now, we know the property n log x. N log x is log x to the power of n. So we have to use this in the first step. So log to the base 3, 32 minus 12x minus log to the base 3, 1 minus x to the power of 2 is equal to 3. Now this is in the form of log a minus log b, which we know that can be written as log a by b, a over b. So this can be written as log 32 minus 12x divided by 1 minus x the whole square to the base 3 is equals to 3. Converting logarithm to exponential. So log n to the base a is equals to x, then a to the power of x is equal to n. Using this conversion of log to exponential, we can say that 3 to the power of 3, 3 to the power of 3 is equal to 32 minus 12x divided by 1 minus x the whole square. 33 to the power of 3 is 27. When you cross multiply this, 27 into 1 minus x the whole square is equals to 32 minus 12x. Let's just expand 1 minus x the whole square. That will be 1 minus 2x plus x square is equal to 32 minus 12x. If you expand the bracket here, you will get 27 minus 54x plus 27x square. Bring these 32 and minus 12x to the other side. Minus 32 plus 12x is equal to 0. So 27x square minus 54x plus 12x will be minus 42x minus 37 plus 20 minus 32 plus 27 is minus 5 is equal to 0. Now we can use formula method or completing the square method or factorizing method here. Now a value is 27, b value is minus 42 and c value is minus 5, which will give us the x value as 5 by 3 or x value as minus 1 by 9. So here we need to check which value we should consider. We know that log can never be negative. Log cannot be negative. So in this case, if in this bracket, we know it is 1 minus x. So 1 minus 5 by 3, what will we get? 1 minus, if you are substituting 1 minus 5 divided by 3, I'm getting a negative answer. So if I take x as 5 by 3, substitute it over here in this bracket, this will become 1 minus 5 by 3, which is minus 2 by 3. Log can never be negative. Log cannot be negative. So what happens if we substitute for x as minus 1 by 9? So if we substitute x as minus 1 by 9, that is 1 minus minus 1 by 9. That is what? That is a positive answer. That is 10 over 9. Here also, same way. This also cannot be negative. 32 minus 12x, 32 minus 12 into x will be, when we substitute that, 32 minus 12 instead of x, if you substitute 5 over 3, you'll get a positive answer. And if you substitute for x as minus 1 by 9, 32 minus 12 into minus 1 over 9 will give you a positive answer. So here, but positive 5 by 3, in this second bracket, if you substitute for x as 5 by 3, log will give you a negative answer. So we cannot take x as 5 by 3. We need to reject it. We need to ignore it, and we need to take the value for x as minus 1 by 9. So that will be the final answer. Hope you have understood this. Thank you for watching.